Hi, my name is Eric Bowers. Welcome to my Patreon page. Patreon is a crowdfunding site and it's ongoing crowdfunding. So people join and become patrons and then they contribute on a monthly basis for as long as they want to contribute. And in return, patrons receive different benefits. On my site, there are different tiers that you can choose from if you want to become a patron. The starting tier is $1 US per month, and for that you receive everything that I post here on the page. I post about once a week. I write something. I might have a link to a video I made or some music that I created. I often have photography there. And you get an email when I make a post. And then you can see it, and if you want to comment on it, which I love to receive comments, you click through from the email back to here and you leave a comment and so on. Also, for $1 US per month, you'll receive my relationship style self-assessment. I'm also a counselor, and I have a counseling business at Road to Compassion, so you can find more about that there. I wrote a book about healing work called Meet Me in Hard to Love Places, and I wrote a relationship style self-assessment for that book. So you can get that for joining up here on Patreon on my page. I love receiving comments. So one of the benefits of Patreon is that you can make requests or ask questions, and then I'll respond. And so you get to receive more than just a usual newsletter. And you get to inform what I create too if you want to make requests. So I love a lot of what I post, and a lot of the art that I create comes out of the healing work that I do for myself and with my clients. I love how healing really inspires creativity and art, and I love how art can be a real process for healing. So that's part of my mission with my work, is to spread that message and inspire people to do more of their own healing and to create more of whatever their art might be. So if you'd like to become a patron, then just click on the Become a Patron tab, and it's pretty straightforward. Again, you can read all the information you need below about which tier you want to join, and within a day or two I'll send you my relationship style self-assessment. And if you have any questions, just email me at eric@roadtocompassion.com. Thank you so much for visiting me here. I hope you'll join me as a patron. Take good care. Bye-bye.